Greetings, kings and queens. Today we have something quick and fast because we have rice and peas from yesterday. So what we do to the rice and peas is we make some tofu, we make some biryani tofu, and I put some green peas in there, quick thing, and without oil. Okay? So we're gonna use scallion, we're gonna use thyme, we're gonna use garlic, and of course my strawberry. No, it's not a strawberry, it's habanero, it's hot. Alright, this is my tofu. Okay, it's not all too tough, it's a little bit softer tofu, you know, it's not really firm. The pan is on 9, heating up. Alright, I need the heat. So, what I'm gonna do now, so I don't have it later to do, I will chop off this first. Okay, we'll take off this part still. So, the first thing I will chop off scallion. Here, press the garlic and get rid of the skin. So, still eating. I'm going to chop off my garlic. Just they're not bigger pieces because I want my garlic. I want to see it. So, my spice, my biryani in the pan. See? The tofu in there. Biryani on top. Remember, there is no oil. Okay. You can put. Don't be afraid of spice because the tofu gonna suck in the spice. Right? I don't put no liquid in there as yet. I will work. Bleed it out. Now because I see it getting dry on the bottom, see? I'm going to put some water in there. Wherever you see it getting dry, you see? When it's getting dry, you see that the tofu stick on the pan like this. You put a bit of water. Now you can, you see? It's getting off the pan again. You don't need no oil to cook. Take down the heat a bit. More spice on top. You see? You can see it bubble here. You see? You take down the heat. You see all the spices get tofu take over everything. A little bit of soy sauce. A little bit of pink salt. We use some soy sauce already. It's salty already from the soy sauce. It salt up the tofu a bit, but we want more salt. Okay. Now my thyme. I'm not gonna do nothing to it. Just throw it in there, man. Throw it in there, man. Everything step by step. Eh? If you put something too much in there, you cannot take it out. Even if it's water, later it gets too watery. Now I'm adding my green peas. They are frozen, so from I put them in there, the temperature gonna go down. Okay. Right now we have protein from tofu and protein from green peas, and later we have here our rice and peas from yesterday, which is coconut. Red peas is more protein again. I don't think I ever met a vegan who have a protein deficiency. These things don't exist. Now we put more water, and then we're going to stir it a bit, and then cover it. See on the half fire, because my highest fire is 9, so I'm here on 5.5 or 5. It's enough, you know. So the tofu gonna use the heat and lose its water and liquids, and you're gonna get down a bit, and then you're gonna start get browny, you know, from the pan, because it's gonna set more and more. So you see. Time in there, everything, we're going to take all the time later again. Don't worry, I'm going to stay in there. It's just for the moment of cooking. Now I make a little hole in the middle, or space in the middle, and I put here some water. Now I want the frozen peas, I want them to get done the same way. I'm going to put my strawberry in there. Okay. This is okay now because we're going to cover it. Yeah, we're going to leave it for a moment so it can start work, because the water is going to start circulate in the pan, you know, so it's going to disappear. Now we're going to look under it again. Everything is alright. I don't want the tofu to burn. You know, you see? No oil, no sticking. out the time now because everything is gone, you see. One last thing about the habanero, if you don't want it spicy, you have to look that the habanero don't bust in the food, okay? Because if it open, if it busts, then the heat is gonna go in the food. If you leave it like this in the hole and you just cook it in there, it gives away the taste. Okay, so because we want the taste and of course we want the heat same way, so I'm gonna take it out now and I'm gonna put it back in there later. I will cut it and put it back in. Cut it now and put it in my tofu. I'm using the paper because otherwise it would go into my cutting board and then it's very hard to get out again because everything that touch there would have spice, so I have to use something under it because it's very hard. Same way, don't touch it with your finger and then use your eye, yeah? Because habanero and your eyes, they don't agree. I'm going to put my habanero into my food. I take off my cover. Look how it looks nice, huh? Ready, man? Now this is our food today. Now we're gonna put it on a plate and make you see it. Like, subscribe, share. Okay, Roots, Foods and Culture. Biryani masala tofu, rice and peas, and some raw veg to it. Give thanks. Yeah? Till the next time.